Hello. Wife got me this for Christmas. Just have it on, testing it out. The only downside is it's in Celsius, which isn't that big of a deal for me. So there's okay, so 140 degrees Celsius, and to figure that out in Fahrenheit, do 140. That's what that is in Celsius. Times 1.8 plus 32. So it's 284 degrees Fahrenheit. Real simple. Huh? And it goes clear up to 480 degrees Celsius, which is 896 degrees Fahrenheit. It goes down to 100 degrees Celsius, which is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's same for the hot air gun too. We'll try that. And there's the fan motor. Well, that's warming up. There's extra attachments for the hot air gun, and here's for the soldering tips. What's going on with this? Uh-huh. Yeah, there's a different motor, for the blower motor for the heater. Ooh, pretty hot. I don't know what that is. Huh. Alright. So it all works. Thanks for watching.